And now to our market monitor, who, like stocks, she says, are changing the way the world works. This is her first time joining us on the program. She is Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Investment Management. Welcome, Cathie. Nice to have you with us.
Thank you, Sue. Happy to be here.
So it sounds like you kind of like what they typically would call disruptor companies. Is that a correct read?
Yes, we focus on disruptive innovation. That's our starting point. And we're looking for companies that are going to change the way the world works. So we spend a lot of time with technologically enabled companies, and we're looking for the key enablers, the size of the market, and where the economics will lie.
And yet, some, Cathie, of your choices tonight are companies with which many of us would be familiar. So you don't really say that these disruptors have to be found at the sort of infant or guppy stage. Let's start with Amazon.
Yes. We think Amazon is a much bigger idea than people understand today. Its market cap is now approaching that of Walmart's. We think it's going to surpass Walmart because we think online sales, which are now less than 10% of sales, are going to grow much larger. Amazon is leading the charge. And then they also have their technology business. Amazon Web Services, which is infrastructure as a service, is changing the way companies are using technology. Infrastructure as a service is taking care of a lot of corporate needs.
Next on the list is LinkedIn. Why do you like it?
We love LinkedIn because they're helping to solve a lot of problems. First of all of us use LinkedIn in our professional networks. We don't know what we would do without LinkedIn. HR manager, human resources managers are also very dependent on LinkedIn. We think with the trend towards robotics and the need for education and retraining, that LinkedIn is going to become even more important. They just bought a company called lynda.com, which helps to retrain people. And we think with all of the big data that LinkedIn has, that they're actually going to help people improve their opportunities for careers and step up to the next level faster than they might otherwise.
And your third choice is another stock sort of in a way like Amazon, in that I guess you believe that it is underestimated, misunderstood, and not commonly known as well as it should be. It's Nvidia.
It's Nvidia. It is painted with the PC brush. Everybody assumes that it's hostage to the PC cycle, which is in actual, not just a cycle, it's in secular decline now. Nvidia is so much more than that. It is the leader in chips for parallel processing, which is used in all of our themes. So anything having to do with the cloud, parallel processing is critical. Anything having to do with genomic research, DNA sequencing, parallel processing is critical. It's becoming much more involved in automobiles, and as we move towards shared autonomous electric vehicles, it's really going to be the chip that helps the car see when there's no physical driver.
Very interesting, Cathie. Thanks so much for spending time with us. Come back soon.
Pleasure. Thank you so much.
Cathie Wood with ARK Investments.